To Research Rocks. In this video we will see complete video tutorial regarding the CapCut video editor, online, offline, even Android and iOS application also available. So in this video we will provide you detailed demonstration using my laptop. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here, new tab, just put it here, CapCut, and this is the first link is display here, CapCut related. Even the link are available here, Google Play Store and App Store. I already put it those link in video description. So just simply click here. This is the framework of the software. Before start anything, if you work as online, so you sign up directly here, otherwise download this application here. So I download this application first of all, and the application size is very small, like a 427 MB only, not more than that. As an online point of view, we just simply sign up here, and using your email address you can sign up. So I select my email address here, Traveling Rocks. This is my user ID. So as a storage point of view, I have right now in 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte space you can use and create some different kinds of videos, like a TikTok videos, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Instagram story, Instagram post, and LinkedIn ads, so many. So I just simply provide you one demo from here, and then we download the software. So I just simply select here Instagram post. As an Instagram post point of view, like this, you can see here, next, and got it. So we upload here, otherwise drag and drop one of the file. So I just simply drop here my end video tutorial, like around 11-second tutorial, and just drag and drop here. So this is a post of Instagram, but the video is totally changed. So you can increase the size of this video like this. So you can fix out the properly and then play like this. This is final video is done for the Instagram post. The audio, you can upload some different kinds of audio also if you want, or upload some audio, like suppose for example I want to upload this one, and the position like this, first position, even you so fix out here properly in the video length. It's simple. If you want to add some text, so you just simply put it here, this one add, the text is coming here. So you can change the text location also if you want, change the location like here to here or here, like, and then you can rocks, Research Rocks as a short form I can add it here. So it's simple way to add text also. Several different types of text features are available here. Some stickers also available. You can directly add the sticker and change the location and play the video like this. So the text is come, this particular sticker is come here. Effects are available. If you add some of the effects, so you can add the effect also, the specific photo. This is effect like this. Some transition also available if you want to add the transition. So you just simply select here and then press, the transition are going on off. And for the transition point of view, you need to add 2 clip at least. So now here 2 clip is available. So look at this transition like this, the transition is coming here. The some of the filters also available if you use that as a filter, specific filter to increase the some other graphics and all. So you can use these filters, otherwise skip it. Some library related informations are available, and stock videos, some different types of video. Now my video is ready. So question comes how to export. So here export options are available. Even the copyright options are also automatic in display here. 2 materials, yes, I want to export this. So I just type here now demo. The quality of the video 4K or just only 1080 pixel, 2K or 4K. So I go with 1080 pixel. Quality, high quality or recommended quality, and some different other format. You can select other format also, but I go with movie format only, and the video is exporting start here. So we can wait here couple of minutes, I think so, if the process is going on online. So 78, 46% is done, 55, 93, and almost is done. So we can play here entire video. Now download this video, downloading, and the video is download. So here is video. Again I play here in my physical computer. So it's very simple to upload video, edit video, and do something whatever you want. Next option come here. I just simply download this folder and download the software, install of my computer system. The software are taking space around 1 gigabytes. The software is automatically come here. I close this one, again I close. So look at this, software is come here. Same process you can do in Windows operating system also. This is the software, it's quite interesting. So I just sign in also here. So via my email address I sign up. So I already sign up here. So you can do same process for the sign up point of view, and that's it. Traveling Rocks, so and so research ID, start the creation. So this is a editor. Now this editor comes in my physical operating system. So I just simply drag and drop one of the video, same video I can consider here, the video. Again I add here this particular video, and now you can do whatever you want for the editation point of view. Control B, you can crop this picture, Control C, and some basic other features are available. Those features are available here. Even audio related features, pop, based, travel related features or other creations are available here. For the music point of view, text, some of the best options, stickers are available. I already discussed with this stickers. Effects, so many effects are available here. Transitions also available, so you can very easily add those transition. Even the filter of different types of filters, so you can improve your video quality up during the editation. Custom adjustments related features are available here. For the media point of view, local libraries available. And now this is absolutely free, open source, nothing you invest single money for this particular editor, and it's quite interesting from my point of view. And as exporting, you can do same process for the exporting. I just simply select here as a desktop location of this folder and title demo. You can select as a 4K export. Now we can see here the exporting is very fast. Estimated size of this file like 66 MB, 4K, and some other informations are come here. If the file around, like suppose this file is 11 second, the file is 11 minute, so you can consider like a 3 to 4 minute for the exporting point of view. So it's interesting software to make a good content for your social media, especially on YouTube and Instagram, and that one is absolutely free. You can download this application in even your Android and iOS mobile phones also, and using mobile phones you can deploy the video export post and direct on YouTube. Look at this, the demo folder is here. I just simply open the demo folder and this folder is play, and this video is play here. It's very simple and absolutely free. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.